Konstantin Eduardovich Tsiolkovsky. The name itself resonates with the dawn of the space age, a man whose visionary genius laid the theoretical groundwork for humanity's journey beyond Earth. Born on September 17, 1857, in Izhevskoy, a remote village in the vast Russian Empire, his life was a testament to unwavering dedication and intellectual brilliance in the face of profound adversity. His early childhood was marked by illness, leaving him partially deaf at a young age, a condition that would significantly shape his life and his pursuit of knowledge. The isolation fostered by his deafness, however, paradoxically fueled his intense focus on the world around him, a world he would soon reshape with his revolutionary ideas. His family, though poor, instilled in him a love for learning, a passion that would become his guiding star. His father, a forester, and his mother, a devoutly religious woman, provided a foundation of resilience and intellectual curiosity. His formal education was sporadic and challenging, hampered by his hearing impairment and limited access to resources in his rural environment. Yet, he devoured books with an insatiable appetite, teaching himself mathematics, physics, and mechanics largely in isolation. This self-education, fueled by an unwavering thirst for knowledge, would prove to be far more significant than any formal schooling could have provided. It instilled in him an independent spirit of inquiry, a critical attribute for a man who would challenge the established norms of scientific thought. He devoured scientific literature, constantly seeking to expand his understanding of the physical world, particularly mechanics and the principles of flight. His early experiments with simple machines and mechanisms laid the foundation for his later, more ambitious endeavors. The move to Moscow in 1878 marked a pivotal moment in Tsiolkovsky's life. While working as a tutor, he had access to libraries and educational institutions, enabling him to pursue his studies with renewed vigor. This period was characterized by intense intellectual activity, a period where he began to formulate his groundbreaking theories on rocket propulsion and space travel. He meticulously documented his findings, often working in near-total isolation, a reflection of both the limited scientific community at the time and his own preference for independent thought. His theoretical work during this period was truly revolutionary, laying the foundations for future generations of rocket scientists. He wasn't just dreaming of space travel. He was meticulously calculating the physics, the engineering, the very possibilities of interstellar exploration. His early work centered on the concept of the rocket as the ideal means of space travel. He wasn't the first to conceive of rockets, but he was the first to rigorously analyze their potential, to understand the principles of rocket propulsion, and to envision the possibilities of achieving escape velocity. His pioneering work on the use of liquid-fueled rockets was particularly significant, far ahead of its time. He meticulously calculated the necessary thrust, the fuel requirements, and the trajectory needed to overcome Earth's gravity. He understood the importance of multi-stage rockets, a concept that would become crucial for achieving orbital velocity. These calculations, documented in numerous scientific papers and treatises, were remarkably accurate, considering the limitations of technology available at the time. He envisioned not only the rockets themselves, but also the implications of space travel for humanity, the potential for colonization, and the exploration of other planets. His writings during this period are full of remarkable foresight. He predicted the development of artificial satellites, space stations, and even interplanetary travel, concepts that would only become realities decades, even centuries later. His vision extended beyond the purely technical aspects of space travel. He grappled with the philosophical and societal implications of humanity's expansion into space. He saw space exploration not merely as a technological achievement, but as a necessary step in the evolution of humankind, a means of ensuring the survival and prosperity of the species. This holistic approach, encompassing both the scientific and the philosophical, set him apart from his contemporaries. Tsiolkovsky's life wasn't without personal struggles. He faced financial difficulties throughout much of his life, relying on the meager income from his teaching and writing. His personal life, too, had its challenges. He married Varvara Sokolova in 1878, and together they had several children. However, the details of his personal relationships are often obscured in the historical record, a testament to the relative scarcity of biographical information from that era. Nonetheless, his dedication to his scientific pursuits remained unwavering, even in the face of personal hardship. He persisted in his work, driven by an unwavering belief in the importance of his ideas. His work, often published in obscure journals and publications, did not gain widespread recognition during his lifetime. The scientific community of his time, largely focused on more immediate concerns, often overlooked his groundbreaking theories. The sheer audacity of his vision, the scope of his ambition, often seemed to exceed the understanding, or perhaps the willingness to accept, of his contemporaries. This lack of immediate recognition, however, did not deter him. He continued to work tirelessly, driven by an inner conviction in the validity and importance of his scientific contributions. His quiet persistence, in the face of both personal hardship and scientific indifference, is a testament to his unwavering belief in his vision. The impact of his work, however, would become undeniable in the decades following his death in 1935. His theoretical calculations and designs would serve as the foundation for the development of rocket technology in the Soviet Union and beyond. The Soviet space program, which achieved so many remarkable milestones in the latter half of the 20th century, owed a profound debt to Tsiolkovsky's visionary genius. His work inspired generations of rocket scientists and engineers, shaping the course of space exploration. The rockets that launched Sputnik, the first artificial satellite, and Yuri Gagarin, the first man in space, were all, in a sense, a testament to Tsiolkovsky's enduring legacy. His contributions extended far beyond the technical aspects of rocketry. His writings on space colonization, on the adaptation of humans to extraterrestrial environments, and on the potential for interstellar travel, were remarkably prescient. He explored the sociological and philosophical implications of space exploration, considering the challenges and opportunities that humanity would face in expanding beyond Earth. His work wasn't just about building rockets. It was about envisioning a future where humanity would become a spacefaring civilization. He understood the potential for space exploration to transform not only our technological capabilities, but also our understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. The legacy of Konstantin Tsiolkovsky is not just one of scientific achievement, but also one of unwavering dedication, intellectual courage, and visionary foresight. He faced numerous obstacles throughout his life: deafness, poverty, limited access to resources, and a lack of immediate recognition for his work. Yet, he persevered, driven by an unwavering belief in the importance of his ideas and a profound vision of humanity's future amongst the stars. His life serves as an inspiration to scientists, engineers, and dreamers alike, a reminder that even the most audacious goals can be achieved through perseverance, dedication, and a willingness to challenge the boundaries of human knowledge and understanding. His name will forever be etched in the annals of history as the father of modern rocketry, a visionary who helped to pave the way for humanity's exploration of the cosmos. His life and work continue to inspire and challenge us to reach for the stars, to push the limits of human potential, and to strive for a future beyond our wildest imaginations. The exploration of space, the very possibility of venturing beyond our planet, owes an immeasurable debt to the genius and perseverance of Konstantin Eduardovich Tsiolkovsky.